How might climate change affect the future?
Maybe some cities will sink down and the bugs or harm animals will increase and the virus or the bacteria increases rapidly. So we have to get our body clean and there will be a more irregular weather, irregular climate, and lastly, our country or our town will become more dangerous because of the climate change.
The climate change is could give us very big difference. First, we might not be able to have enough water, so you will get the water from the government, and we might not have enough land caused by the increase of human population. And the increase of the sea level by the temperature, the height of temperature, and there will not be enough air to breathe for all humanity because of the polluted air, and there will be mountains with no trees, and the desertification will be very, very fast in the future. And lastly, the atmosphere will be filled with toxic gas, and it might be toxic for humans and all the creatures on Earth.
Korea is going to go to tropical climate, and global warming is more harder, and sea level rise, and air pollution.
If the rainforest is destroyed, the amount of oxygen will be greatly reduced, and if global warming continues, the nation for seas will disappear, and more desert will cause more yellow dust, and if Arctic glaciers continue to melt, sea level rise and will hurt many low-lying countries, and if the disaster continue to occur, people will suffer a lot of damage.
Okay. First, water will be precious, and many people must cost a lot to drink it. Second, more islands will be submerged. Next, it will be difficult to see natural animals, and masks can be very important in the future. Last, due to the climate change, crops will be expensive.
Climate change makes the sea levels go higher and make more abnormal climates and hurricane, and it can make the acid rain with the air pollution.
More global warming, and lots of country will sink. Summer will be hotter than now, and winter will be colder than now, and many animals will die.
Disappearance of island and lack of food and extinction of polar bear, losing our home by disaster and increasing gap between rich and poor.
There will be no people who wear padding in winter, and it will be so hot in the summer that the use of air conditioners will increase very much. In the middle of summer, there will be no people out there. There will be no environment for polar bears to live in, destroying the ecosystem. Many animals will suffer from the heat.
Land will be desolated, and most of the ozone layer will be destroyed, and the abnormal climate will appear frequently, and maybe the ecosystem will be disrupted because many animals will be dead.
I think climate change brings scarcity of water, and small islands disappear, and it causes immigration problem and too hot weather and the damage on the crops.
I think the summer will get hotter and the winter will get colder. And Korea's four seasons will disappear. And I think ice in the Arctic will all disappear. And we may use more air conditioner in summer because it will get more hotter, and I think the species of animals will decrease.
Maybe heavy rain and temperature goes up, and heat wave will increase, and I think many rainforest is extinct.
It will change our future by finding other planets to migrate, and science about environment will evolve. The number of islands will be reduced, and animal diversity will decrease. Human beings can be extinct.
Increase the probability of war occurrence, the decline of industrial civilization, evolution of mankind, the increase in the number of deaths, various regions, and the great change of many species are expected.
It would change our foods because the foods will be changed and some places will be already deleted, and medical services will change because many kinds of diseases will come out when the climate changes.
And now let's look at the future social and economic impact of climate change.